Alright, today we're going to mount the Benedict Harry aluminum beadlock wheels, the injora inserts, the Inaco Tsl Super Swamper SX XL. They're like 5.8 inches tall. I'm going to show you how to mount one. Of course, I'm no pro, so I'm not saying that this is the right or wrong way to do it, but it's one of the ways to do it, and I've done it this way. I'll go ahead and put just 4 of these in to kind of roughly square up. You can put them all in if you wanted to, but I'm going to Loctite them, so Loctite like this one, and then this one, and then pull that one and do this one, and same thing, you know, get them all Loctited. Remove these two that goes to the hex. Then on the back of the wheel, gonna remove the couple they have in here. And you're gonna be left with that ring, the front bead lock, and this ring. This tire. And then stuff in your inserts. They don't go in that difficult really at all, I don't think. And then you don't want to work it around. Get it so it looks as centered as you can. And then you're going to insert this. I'm going to put some weight on this, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So here's the ring with the weight on it. I just put 1/4 ounce sticky weights, like for wheel weights, and you're just going to insert this in here. It goes in pretty easy. There's definitely tougher setups to get together than this one, that's for sure. See, this went right in there, pretty much centered. Complain about that. Then you're going to take that, seat it in there best you can. Take the back. You're going to want to line these up with that. You're not going to be able to really turn it once it's in, so you want to get it as close as you can. And then I will just set some of these in, so when I get it pushed down, I can catch the thread. It's not your easiest job ever. So I'll just set 3 of them in. What I do is I take this. You can cover it up or whatever you use. I see a person use a pill bottle on the interwebs. I'd tell you who if I could remember. Then I set that up like that. And you can set something on it so you don't scratch it, but so what I do, take, because the screws aren't very long, so I take this longer screw and it is a game changer. Apply as equal pressure as I can. Equal pressure as I can. You can pinch it, let somebody else hold it. It's off just a little bit. There we go. See that? No. That one easy. And it can be super hard. No, you don't want to tighten it too much because it's too long. I'll come over here. That one down in there. It's just, it's like a way to kind of cheat a little bit without having to use all that force and frustration. I've mounted four of these for my Curspra, smaller size, and it was a struggle, so I learned. So there, now you get these to really help it. Tighten it down a little bit. Get the ones that count, really. One. Yeah, one. Now they're definitely lined up, you know that. That's a guarantee. So tighten these down more. And this will get a lot easier. Alright, now that one I can get, I bet, super easy. Alright, there, bit now. That's so much easier than this other struggle. So basically you start that one in, and you get one of your other ones in, kind of across from it. You're gonna have to push down, you know, fairly good, but not like before, now that you've got the helper screws in it. Turn this one down a little bit more. And then should go pretty easy at that point. And it is. So since they're across from each other, you can get them kind of snug. And go to the other one that was sitting there you'd put in earlier. Boom, no problem. So then you're going to remove these two helper ones and put the regular ones in. Go ahead and tighten them down all the way. Okay, once you get those back ones in, I Loctite all these because they will back out for sure. You can choose whether you Loctite these or not, whatever you want to Loctite, but I definitely Loctite these. And then you're going to want to put this back in. And this is your finished product. Now these injoras, they're really nice. They're designed to be kind of stiff on the sides, so you don't get much side roll. Hopefully we'll see that soon on the trail, but it's snowy and cold here, so we're gaining. My Gilamon hasn't arrived yet. I mean, Gilamon, sorry. Yeah. Gilamon, Gilamon, whatever you want to call him on. Thanks for watching. You'll see these on it pretty quick, and my Curspra has the next size down, same wheels, so to see those go too. Thank you all.